All right, so this is my second platform, I'm sorry, this is my platform where I do more personal code. So see previous video for part one and about June 4th. It is day 156 of the year, which is the 156th prime number is 9/11. Now I want to do some personal codes. Two very important people born the same year that I was. They were both born August 10th. And so that's 8 times 10. And that people born that day that aren't these two were also huge people in my life. August 10th is actually 2 days before Sirius rises, and we will be doing a playlist on that also, just because it's 2 days before Sirius rises. Let's go back to and it is um this year it's the 157th day of the year. I'm sorry, that was dumb. Forget I just said that. This year it's a leap year. It is usually day 222 of the year. This year it'll be day 223, and the reversal of that is 322. It's about all I got for that. But let's delve into June 4th deeper. My two friends born August 10th, 1961. I want you to look at their number. It is 156. And we know the 156th prime number is 9/11 and is followed by 88, which is Trump in simple gematria, where A is one, or English ordinal, where A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. It's called simple gematria, or it's called English gemat, or it's called English ordinal, excuse me. English gematria is actually 6 times English ordinal. I know, it's crazy. It's ridiculous, quite frankly. And but now that you know their number begins with 156, which the 156 prime number is 9/11 and is followed by an 88, which is Trump in simple gematria. Now I want you to look at the last 3 digits, 688. Now, this is my number times the year, 7 times 6 times 1961. My number is 82362 times the year of 2024. And notice that ends in 688. 688 is the reversal of 886, or it has more to do with the rising day, because to 86 the 88, which would be 886, the reversal of that would be there's death and rising. The opposite of that would be the rising, 688. 68 is a reversal of 86, and it's fused with Trump's number. And so when you go back and look at their number, that's death fused with resurrection. Now, how old will they be tomorrow? Those two people? Well, if you go August 10th and you run it to the 156th day of the year, they will be 22, 9, 44. We do know that 22, the 22nd prime number, is 79, which is murder in simple gematria. I know, it's crazy. None of this stuff means anything. Always remember that. These are just ciphers. These are things that I look at. In personal ciphers, Mystery Babylon cannot mess with them. Cannot mess with them. The AI cannot mess with them. So let me look at a few more things. I knew there was more. Let me check volume again. So Trump's number is 6 times 14 times 1946. His number is 163464. Well, right at the end, there's the date. June 4th, or 4/6 is how most countries write it. So it's built into his number. Yes. Now, his number times 2024 times the 4th day times the 6th month. Look at this. It begins with 79, which is murder in simple gematria, followed by 404, the amount of verses in the book of Revelation. And at the very end, 6-4. I know. That's pretty fascinating, isn't it? Divide the 24 out of it, which is 6 times 4. Go back to him times the year. And let's just run it by the 156th day of the year. 777 ends in 216, which is James Bond's card tag because that's 6 times 6 times 6. Multiply that by the 24. And there's 210 days left in the year. So that's all the numbers associated with that date. And it ends in 64, the date. Ooh, it's got 86. 4. So being 86 means to eliminate or to get rid of. Like we were talking about, 886 would mean to eliminate Donald Trump because Trump is 88. So it ends in 864, or the 86 will take place on 6/4, June 4th. Let's remove the 24 out of it. Wow. It's got 83, which is murder. I think reverse full reduction. It's got 38, which is murder in full reduction. Or is that reverse? I can't remember. But y'all know we've done it many times. 83 and 38 are both murder codes in reverse ordinal or reverse full reduction. You got 868. You got 83 again. You've got August 8 with the 10-8, the 10th day of the 8th month, which is how most countries write it. It is a single digit followed by a 0, so we will multiply it by GOD 7154, something I've done since I was a kid. And there's the 399, which is murder in Jewish gematria, the most biblical. And there's the 753 fused with it, which is the time in Back to the Future. So tomorrow is just mind-boggling. Now let's remove the 156, but keep the 24. I want you to look. There's 254. Day 254 was 9/11 in 2001. And see this 1667? That's what my number begins with this year. 166700688. This is mind-boggling. So for somebody that's done numbers their whole life, this is a lot of craziness and crazy connections. Let's go back one more time. And let's remove the 24 and the 156. Wow. Okay. That's going to have to be about it. But tomorrow is an extremely high watch day, in my opinion. It is Till Tuesday, which was the group that had the song in Donnie Darko. How many days is it away from the eclipse? On April 8th. It's 57 days. 177 minus 57. 120 days to go. 120 is Adam. He is the Black Adam in Old Testament Strong's Concordance. But that is the church, 12, right there. And once you open the book of Revelation, it's all about the church. Then we go, I'll tell you something else. There's the 57:12 right there. Somebody very pertinent in my life, born 5/16/1964. Their number has the 57 and the 12. Let's do 57 times 12, since that's the days away from both eclipses. 684. He would rise 2 days later. 68 is reversal of 86, but the 84 is Trump's number because that's 6 times 14, but it's also cleansing the church, which is the job of the Antichrist. It's also 7 times 12. 7 is the number for cleansing, 12 is the number for the church. Tomorrow's quite fascinating. All right, love you. Very high watch day.